Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Frigidaire module part number 242270106. The Frigidaire module part number 242270106 is a replacement part for a variety of Frigidaire appliances. It is a control module that helps regulate the temperature and other settings on the appliance. This part is compatible with many models of refrigerators, freezers, dishwashers, washers, dryers, and air conditioners. The module contains several components including a timer, temperature sensor, and display board. It also includes an LED indicator light to indicate when the appliance is in use or when it needs to be serviced. The module is easy to install. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a control board module for a Frigidaire refrigerator. It can fix issues such as the refrigerator not cooling, the temperature display not working, and the refrigerator not responding to temperature adjustments. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the refrigerator from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the back panel of the refrigerator to access the wiring and components. 3. Locate the old module and disconnect it from the wiring harness. 4. Install the new module by connecting it to the wiring harness and securing it with screws or clips, as applicable. 5. Replace the back panel of the refrigerator and plug it back into the wall outlet. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.